Like I promised, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a live withdrawal. I made a profit of $569. I'm gonna put it here. It is the one and only greatness. And I am destined for greatness. And you are destined for greatness too. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 videos back to back. Like I promised, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a live withdrawal. I made a profit of $569. I'm gonna put it here. I'm on the accelerated account, so my withdrawal is 50% of what I make in a week, and I get paid out. So I got $269, which was half of what I made. But I profit $500. I'm going to show you the setup that I traded, and then I'm going to show you the withdrawal of the $500 that I did using my Forex Funds. So stay tuned for that. Copy some merch, ladies and gentlemen. Go to greatnessbrand.com, get you some merch. Follow me on Instagram. If you're interested in 101 training, you can email me at greatnessbrand@gmail.com. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate the support. I'm going to be trying to get a lot more videos, finish these 6 months off stronger than I started. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's hop on this desktop here, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did, because you can do it too. 3, 2, 1. So ladies and gentlemen, we are here on the desktop. And the first thing that you would need to do is create a My Forex Funds account. Link will be down below. That is the prop firm that I use to trade and make the money that I made, and they're sending me a payout. So with that being said, you're going to go to myforexfunds.com, create an account, verify, pick whatever account you want. I did the accelerated account. They also have an evaluation, a rapid and accelerated account. If you would like for me to make a video on these different accounts, please let me know. But once you log in and you are here, you're going to click Account Analyzer. And once you click Account Analyzer, this is what's going to pop up. This is the $539 that I made profit. And I'm going to now show you the setup and what I traded and how I did trade that. So I have it up here. So this is the screenshot from my phone. So what did I see and how did I trade the shit up? How did I make money? We will go back here again and we can go to our trading days so you can see the different days that I had. So 104 the first day, 186 the second day, and I made $249 for the last day. We can go to trading history as well. I had a 70% win rate, which is not bad. This is all realistic for you guys. You're not going to win every trade, so I'm glad that you get a chance to see that I made $500 and I only won 70% of my trades. So as you can see, I did a lot of selling. I was just selling the market down. You know how the market is. If you're in tune to the market, you know it's bloody. So I've been selling the market down, and that's how I've been making my money on EU and on GU. So we're gonna go back to the setup here. So what did I see here? I seen resistance here, here. So ladies and gentlemen, if it cut out, my camera died, but we are here on the setup now. What did I see? What was I looking at? How did I make the money that I made? What was the setup that I traded? So first and foremost, as a trader, you have to understand that there are different types of market conditions. You either have a trending market or you have a ranging market. And in this case, I was in a ranging market. And when I am in a ranging market, all I will do is buy low and sell high. That is it. In a ranging market, I will only buy low and sell high. If you look here in this ranging market, every time it went here at the low, it bopped up. Every time it went to the top, it sold down. Every time it went to the bottom, bought up, sold down, bought up, so it sold back down. So looking at this setup, I seen that I was in a ranging market. I seen that we already had this big bull candle and it went up and touched up here. And a lot of people would try to force this trading thing because it was this big bull candle that it would keep going up. But you have to understand what the market has told you it was going to do the last 3 times. You cannot force the market to do what you want it to do. You have to allow the market to talk to you. So I seen what the market was doing here, and I sold. And this was one of the days that I made money on. This is how I made my money. This was trading GU. I used the 4 hour to see the grand scheme of things, and then I entered in on a lower time frame. And so this is when I entered in at 8 o'clock, and by 4 a.m. we reached the bottom of the range. And this is on the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is real. This works. If you really just apply your mind, you can do this too. And this equated to $539 profit. And you can do it too, ladies and gentlemen. And now that I'm here on this screen, I will put a screen recording up of how the payout process went. So essentially, this button is going to light up blue. It's going to tell you that it's going to have the amount that you have for your current payout. You're going to click that blue request payout. Then you're going to have a couple different options of what payout you would like to use. You can either use PayPal, you can use Deal, you can use crypto. I use crypto. I use Bitcoin. You would need a Bitcoin address to be able to send to. You go to my Forex Funds, payout request, put in your Bitcoin address. I'm going to have the screen recording here, and put your country in, and they'll take care of everything else. I received my payout less than 24 hours. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I received my payout in less than 24 hours. This was the fastest payout I've had from my Forex Funds. So that was cool. And it was smooth. I'm gonna put the payout proof. I'm gonna put everything here for the screen record. And we're gonna wrap this video up, ladies and gentlemen. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also comment down below what type of videos you would like to see. Would you like to see more withdrawal videos, more setup videos, more trading videos, or videos of me just sitting in the front of the camera and answering questions? Comment down below what type of videos you guys would like. Thank you so much for the support. I hope you enjoyed this video. And just in case you did not know, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. And the quote or tip for this video: you have to get comfortable being uncomfortable. Peace.